Damn. Oh, they smoke. They have a whole pit over there.
You wanna go that way?
Yeah.
We did that box body right there too.
That one?
Yeah.
Damn. That.
Or that's a one box.
Oh, that's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. Yeah. How's it possible to get in there? Holy. Oh, these are bad. car just light up on fire, bro. Hey, let me get through, let me get through.
Stella, don't get close, it could blow up.
Hey, Jimmy!
Yeah, I'm backing up this up, man. Damn.
motherfucker go.
Bro! Bro, how did that happen, bro?
Probably had a
Bro, that was bad, bro. That thing is not gonna turn on no more.
No, it's done.
It's done. Anything else, bro? Hey, this is my fire first meet, bro. Have you ever seen this?
Not at a meet.
Bro.
That's wild. Let's get behind it.
Bro, I'm scared. Oh. Alright. Is it still on fire?
Yeah.
No way. Oh, it's raining. I mean, the rain is out. The rain is out.
Oh shit, that bitch coming down. Hold on.
Yeah, it's coming down bad. Hey, that's a sign, bro.
Yeah.
We gotta get out of here.
I'm trying to figure out how. We gotta get to the car back that way. Or low-key. Nah, I'm not going around that way. We gotta go that way.
Bro, we got here late and it finished so early.
Yeah. I mean, it technically ends at 11.
What time is it? Like 10:30?
It's perfect. 10, 11. It's barely 10, 11.
And everybody's leaving. So now what? We're gonna have to take this.
Wait this rain out for a second. It's coming down hard.
Yeah. So I know not to get a two-stepper.
The cops are coming.
Where they at?
Fire department probably. Dude, it's gonna be so hard to get out of here low-key.
Yeah, I think we gotta wait now. Damn, look at them. They're in the rain.
I just don't want to get stuck.
No, bro, we're stuck no matter what.
The cops coming.
So look at the cops. Zoom in on that. Hey, what are the odds I go get her number? What are the odds I go get her number? Ready? Out of what?
From 1 to 5.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
2. I was gonna say 3.
Alright, again.
No, I'm done.
From 1.
But what?
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
5.
4.
Oh my God, bro.
You never know.
Where's she at?
Huh?
Where's she at?
She's up there.
I'll tell her story.
Hell no. Brother, ain't no way they're still going, bro. Is it still on fire? Or with the water?
Nah, look at the water on it right now.
Look at the water. Get up here.
Oh my God, look at the water hitting the car that is on fire. That bitch getting
Oh, looky.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
look it.
Ambulance.
Bro, that's wild, bro.
It's too late now. We don't even need them.
Huh? It's too late, yeah. Oh, where they're still going after this rain. Look at him, bro. He thinks, who is he? No way, is the army actually here?
Guys, everyone needs to go back to their vehicles now, please. Ain't nobody gonna make me know.
Yeah, exactly. Our vehicle goes that way, so we gotta go this way. Follow me. Damn, the cop is so dense, bro. Yeah, let's go, Bill. I'm scared. Bro, insane meet, bro. What's the next meet? The butterflies on doors is crazy. This, yeah. Damn. I mean, we were right there, bro. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Oh, shoot. It's the end of the video. It's crazy how that car caught on fire.
First car meet?
First car meet?
First car meet on YouTube and the car comes on fire.
Bro, that's insane.
Actually,
What was it, a BMW, what?
I don't know. It's a BMW. I don't know.
We got like a, what, 20-minute drive home?
Yeah, 20 minutes. And the pouring rain.
Oh, we got crazy content.
In a real drive Mustang.
We got crazy experience.
Yeah.
losing ore by the second, bro. They gotta keep on moving.
Now see, now if you do that, you're not getting in the car after. I promise.
You gotta have to walk home at that point.
I know you.
Whoa! Oh, that's ruined. That's ruined.
Yeah, low key is probably good. Oh no, it's good.